I have Summer Breeze. Like, Summer Breeze makes me feel fine. Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. We are going to be unboxing the Therabox subscription box. Now, this subscription box is a monthly self-care and wellness subscription box. I will be leaving the details down below in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. I do also have a playlist of Theraboxes because I have been unboxing this subscription box for well over a year. I will be linking that playlist down below as well so that you can binge watch it after you watch today's video. I'm not exactly sure why, but it seems like we were just here unboxing a Therabox together. Yes, the months are just going by very quickly. So today we are going to be unboxing the Therabox for July. What Therabox typically does is they send their month's box at the end of the month so that it gets to us by the beginning-ish of the month. So this month the theme is Tropics. Now, I said in my last Therabox unboxing, and I'm holding to it, the summer months typically are not my favorite. Not only for Therabox, but for really any subscription box. Just because a lot of the items, I don't know, it's not that I don't find them as useful, I'm just a lot more of a fall and winter person rather than summer. So yeah, I kind of am holding my breath on this box because it's still within those summer months. This month's box has a retail value of over $145, which I think is always a great deal because Therabox costs $34.99 per month. Now, if you are new to Therabox and you are liking the items that you see in this box, I do have a discount code for you so that you can receive a discount off of your first purchase. That's going to be in the description box down below as well. This box just overall smells good. Take everything out and put it all on my dining room table, and it smells clean and fresh, all of these items. I'm not exactly sure which item is giving off that scent. The first item that I pulled out is a face mask. This is from Vitamasks, and it is a 3-step mask. I've done 2-step masks before, but never 3. And this is the Super Cactus Glow Facial Mask. So step 1 is a cleanser, an agave enzyme cleanser. Step 2, this portion right here, is the Super Cactus, a biodegradable sheet mask. Cool. And step 3 is a prickly pear moisturizer. Now I'm going to have the bare necessities stuck in my head all afternoon long. And now the write-up says that this mask is great to soothe sunburnt skin or treat severely dehydrated complexion. Is that it? No, that's not what smells good. I'm going to be smelling everything, by the way, to see what really gives that scent that I'm smelling. Next up, we have some gummies, and these are from Lunaki. Oh, see, this is great. They put like an actual pronunciation on it. Unaki. These are some probiotic gummies, and these are vegan, non-GMO, and gelatin-free. And of course, probiotic items do help with your digestive health, or they're supposed to help with your digestive health. So these have a tropical berry flavor to them. They're probiotic and prebiotic gummies that are all natural, plant-based, and contain biotin, vitamin C, B9, antioxidants, and a superdose of 5 million CFU beneficial bacteria per serving. So because I am a Flintstones kid at heart, I do take gummy vitamins every single day. However, probiotics really don't mix well with me, so I am going to be passing these along to somebody else. Next up is an Earth Harbor product. But thanks to subscription boxes, let me get the scissors. I have a growing Earth Harbor collection, and I have to say, all of the products I absolutely love. I think they are really high quality products. The hair serum or the scalp serum, I don't think it was a scalp serum. I think it was just like a hair oil. That's what it was that we got last month. I have been using that exclusively to do my hair in the morning. Now my hair does already have a bit of volume to it. It only this short, I don't really need much to it. The hair oil just sort of like holds it in place slightly and gives it a nice shine. So for that purpose, it is doing really well. This is a replenishing body serum. This is their Laguna serum. I wonder if it's going to be like the sort of thing, I'm gonna have to go on their website to see how many more Earth Harbor items are there that I can collect. I can add to my collection. So the Laguna Replenishing Body Serum is a tantalizing blend of pure botanical oils, including blue yarrow, marine algae, coconut, rosehip, and geranium blossoms. This blend promotes a feeling of skin respiration. Yeah, respiration. It's a very small print. Hold on. I film these videos kind of like halfway blind because I hardly ever wear my glasses whenever I film. But I'm not filming with my ring light today, so it reflects in the ring light and kind of annoys me. I'm not sure if it would annoy y'all, but it annoys me whenever I'm filming. So not filming with the ring light today, so let me read and I can actually, oh wow, that is so much clearer. So yes, this gives a feeling of skin respiration and intercellular energy, fancy, while delivering deep nourishment, hydration, and a gorgeous luster to your skin. So these maritime products are non-toxic, synthetic-free, plant-based, ethical, and sustainable. And it says that this has this has an aroma of fresh floral breeze. Let me put a little on my hand and see if that's what I'm smelling. I don't think so though, because it's in the bottle and it was boxed up. So dropper, like all of Earth Harbor's items have. No, this smells good, but that was not what I was smelling. Not shiny or glittery or anything like that at all. It just really does have a nice, like it's already dried down and it's just giving kind of a nice glisten to the skin, like it said that it would. My hand does feel nice and moisturized now. Next up, we have some body wipes. I love the feeling of this packaging. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to describe this. Like it's just like a very soft packaging. So these are on-the-go wipes from Sweet Spot Labs. These are coconut lime soothing wipes. So these wipes are gynecologically tested and they are pH balanced. They are also vegan, clean, cruelty-free, and compostable and biodegradable. So I think I found what smells so good. Yeah, so this is a room and linen spray from Elevation Lifestyle. This is the Ocean Breeze, which by the way, now I have like seeing Ocean Breeze, I have Summer Breeze. Like Summer Breeze makes me feel fine in my head. So let's give it a little spritz. Yeah, that's what I'm smelling. So this has notes of salty ozone and fresh citrus. So yeah, halfway through the box, figured out what that scent is. So next up, we have a product from Tropical Naturals. This is their scalp treatment. Love the packaging on this box. Shout out to that designer. Here's what the bottle looks like. It's actually like sealed, has that like quality safety seal. That's what it's called. It has the safety seal on it. And I'm currently using a scalp treatment and I'm not going to open this and get some oxygen and like some possible bacteria in it until I'm actually ready to use this one. So I will not be opening this today to give it like a feel or a smell test or anything like that. But the directions for this is to shake well, apply directly to the scalp and massage, leave in or wash out after 10 to 15 minutes, and to use this sparingly. So the scalp treatment contains organic ingredients like black seed tamanu and cranberry seed oil. Ooh, haven't ever used anything with cranberry seed oil in it. That they're both known to help promote healthy hair growth and normalize the oil production of the scalp and help with problematic issues such as dandruff and dry and itchy scalp. This item is flat and really, really heavy. This is a Dead Sea foot scrub mixture with peppermint and sweet almond oil from Professor Herb. And let's see if I can zoom in on what I think is one of the best logos I've ever seen. I just love that logo. Look at that guy, so cool. This foot scrub does feature 100% pure peppermint, jojoba, and sweet almond essential oils, and Dead Sea salts from the Southern Sea in Israel. This scrub is imported from the United Kingdom and it comes in a biodegradable craft bag. Each month Therabox does include all of these wellness items, which in my opinion lean more on towards the side of skincare. However, in addition to that, they also do include some sort of happiness boosting item. It could be a book, it could be a journal. This month they have included a deck of cards. So these are the Boundaries Conversation deck from Dr. Faith G. Harper. So this deck includes 52 cards that prompt reflections about personal boundaries for you and for others. I'll try to get into it so that we can, as I like to do anytime we get something like this, that it's like a deck of cards or something of the sort that has questions. I like to see what one is. answer it. And I like to hear your answers down below. All right, so opening it up, the first thing that you see is sort of like an instruction. So there are two kinds of cards within here. Reflection cards are designed to help you become more conscious of your thought patterns, how they have been influenced by your past, and how you would better like to shape them to better suit your, and how you would like to shape them to better suit your present and future. These can also be used for discussion. And then there are situation cards that are designed to help you consider potential scenarios so that you can plan out strategies to manage them effectively. I'll do a one of each. So reflection, and we have what would you do? That TV show, right? So like I said before, I would love to hear if you would like to share your answers to the question and then the scenario that I'm about to pull out. So we'll pull out from the middle of the deck. We're gonna put that one back in. All right, this one's a little more, could possibly not get into trouble for answering that one. So here we are. So when do you feel the most need to justify or defend your boundaries? I would definitely say during work or dealing with things that deal with work, specifically because I am a public school teacher, and anytime that, as public school teachers, in case you don't know, anytime that we attempt to, with anybody, sort of voice our concerns about anything within our working environment, we're always really gaslighted. So really and truly during those work scenarios, that is usually whenever I have to defend and justify my boundaries. That, my dear friend, is a conversation for another day. Someone tags you in a post on social media that you don't agree with. What would you do? It would depend on what it is. If it was something minor that I didn't agree with, I would probably just ignore it. If it was something that was either disinformation or something like, obviously, like racist or xenophobic or homophobic or transphobic, or something like or like sexist or something like that, I would probably, and have, I wouldn't say probably, I have said something about it. Either set the facts straight or attempted to set the facts straight. So like I said, I would love to hear your answers to those two questions. All right, so if you remember back to the beginning of this video when we looked through this booklet, Therabox does promise a 145 plus value for this Tropics box. Let's go through what the retail value of all of these items are and add it up. First up, we have the Tropical Naturals Scalp Treatment that retails for $36.99. The Professor Herb Dead Sea Foot Scrub has a retail value of £19.99, or somewhere around $27.55 USD. Elevations Lifestyle Ocean Breeze Room Spray has a retail value of $9. Sweet Spot Labs, the Coconut Lime Soothing Wipes, have a retail value of $10. Earth Harbor's Laguna Replenishing Body Serum has a retail value of $26. The Probiotic and Prebiotic Gummies from Luna King have a retail value of $16.95. Vitamasks Super Cactus Glow Facial has a retail value of $6.99. The Happiness Boosting Activity, the Boundaries Conversation Deck, has a retail value of $14.95. All of those items added up puts this Therabox at $148.43. So what did you think of this Therabox? Let me know in the comments down below. I did like this box a lot more than I liked last month. Still do think that it is very skincare-ish heavy. One of the YouTubers that I absolutely adore on YouTube, Alexandria Ryan, said that she finds that during the summer months, she unboxes, by the way, a lot of beauty subscription boxes, and she said that during the summer months, she finds that they just send a lot of skincare stuff, and I agree with that. Just boxes in general send a lot of skincare during summer months. How do you feel about that? Sort of like with me, it kind of depends what it is. Like, this is a lot of stuff that it's skincare-ish, but it's different. Like, it's not all just like moisturizers and serums. I'm perfectly fine with that. There's stuff that I could really get a lot of use out of this month. So I am pretty pleased with this month's Therabox. I think out of all of these items, I am really excited to use these boundary cards, as well as the Earth Harbor item, just because I'm becoming quite fond of this brand's products thanks to subscription boxes. I'd love to hear from you though what your favorite item out of this box was. So now is that time. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, a big thumbs down if you did not. That little small action lets me know what you as a viewer would like to see more of. If you have not done so already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell to join our community. I would greatly appreciate it, and it would help me out tremendously. I'd also love to have you in our community. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!